This is the solar system explained in Melon Playground. First planet is Mercury. Now, Mercury is the smallest of the bunch. It is not the hottest planet in the solar system, even though it's the first and closest to the sun. It has no oceans, no atmosphere, and no magnetic field. It is very small. It has crazy temperatures. The nighttime side is freezing, while the daytime side is hot enough to melt lead. Like, can we chill? The planets are getting crazy today. You might learn something new today in this video, though, however. We are talking about the sun now. The sun has many things. It has sunspots, and it's mostly composed out of hydrogen and helium, just like Jupiter and Saturn. It also has solar flares, or solar winds. Next, we're going to talk about Earth's evil twin. But right now, we are looking at Earth and all of its beautiful glory. Okay, now we're looking at his evil twin. This is Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system, even though it's farther away from the sun. It is hot because it has a runaway greenhouse effect. It used to be a habitable planet, but now it's dead. And all hot. And we don't want that. It rains acid there, and it has a pressure of 90 bars. It will crush a human like a soda can. It is the equivalent of having 90 elephants on you. So yeah, that is not good. There is a space in the atmosphere that feels like pressure on Earth with one bar. Now we are looking at Earth. Earth has 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. It is the only habitable planet. It is not really good for habitability because it's a desert compared to other super Earths and Earth-like planets that are similar. It has daytime, nighttime, has an atmosphere, strong enough magnetic field, and it has a stable tilt. So yeah, our home planet. Lots of oceans, lots of bodies of water, and let's talk about the moon. The moon is the thing that gives us light during nighttime. The moon doesn't produce its own light. Instead, the sun reflects light onto the moon, and then the moon shines back the light onto the Earth. There's lunar eclipses and solar eclipses. Mars is next. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Phobos is going to crash into Mars, forming a ring around the red planet, while Deimos is going away from Mars, actually. Mars used to have water and an atmosphere, magnetic field, but the solar winds got stronger and it blew away the atmosphere because there was no magnetic field to protect it. Because the planet's core got unstable really, really quickly. Had lots of volcanoes on it, like Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, or Valles Marineris, the longest and deepest valley in the solar system. Lots of landmarks there. Next is Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant, and it also has a red spot that is a hurricane with 400 miles an hour winds. So yeah, you can fit 2 Earths between the storm. This is not accurate to size, though, however, so it's not going to go up to the calculations that are correct. None of this is actually correct scale to the actual solar system. So don't think everything I say in this video is correct. This is all from memory, and that's it. Okay, next is Saturn, the second biggest planet in the solar system. It has a ring that goes around its equator. Really famous for those rings, actually. But what we're looking at is a storm at the North Pole that is a hexagon shape, and it has been raging with 3,000 mile an hour winds. Really dangerous. The whole planet is a storm, essentially. Has 247 moons. Confirmed the moons. There's probably even more. Most of the moons formed the rings. RIP to those moons who got too close to the Roche limit and then decided to break up into pieces and forming Saturn's rings. So yeah. Next planet is Uranus, or Uranus. really unfortunate name. It has the stinkiest chemical in the atmosphere of this planet. That's why it smells like rotten eggs if you go close to it. Also has a ring system, just like Saturn. No matter how you pronounce it, Uranus or Uranus, it's still something important. Uranus has not a lot of moons, the coldest planet in the solar system, even though it's closer to the sun than Neptune, which is the next planet we're going to be talking about. But, however, we're still on Uranus. Has a 97-degree tilt, got hit by something really big in the past. That's why it has a tilt. Next planet is Neptune. Neptune is the smallest of the ice giants. It has a dark blue spot that is very, very interesting because that is not just a normal spot. Instead, it is a giant storm thing. It has supersonic flares, faster than planes we have on Earth. It travels faster than sound, actually. So yeah, you're cooked. It probably rains diamonds there. Really interesting. We don't have a dwarf planet system yet. Part 2 I will make in 60 likes. Okay, bye.